Hello guys, welcome to another video from Block 3 Review. In today's video, we're going to look at the Cassava network, the community reward platform for builders, for users, and everyone involved in the Web3 space. So I'm going to walk us through the process, what this particular application offers for builders and also for users alike. So as a builder, I currently have a community startup community where we basically reward members of the community by engaging them through things like creating tags on Twitter, following several ways to engage our users. So currently I have an account with them and I will show us what we can do on the application. So we have a community here, as you can see. We have a community called Waysets, which is one of our products. So this is one way to create a community and also create tags for your users. And as a user, you can also join the community. You can join the community as a user and also perform other tasks. As you can see here, we have different tasks here from Cassava Network itself, pick up as several, partners or communities that are currently active. So the starting point will be to create an account, of course. I'm going to show us how you can do that. So for a start, you need to search Cassava network. So this is what you get once you do that. Then after that, you click the link, you create an account. It's very simple. So the whole idea is, as a user, you can join tasks and earn from doing so. And also as a community, you can set up a task for your community, for people to engage with your community and several other things. So of course, in this video, we're going to set up an account for Block 3 Review and show you how you can create a similar account for yourself too. So it's still loading. Now we're just going to launch the application and we can get started from there. So the whole idea is to, you can create a wallet, connect your wallet to it, get an ID, Cassava ID, and also create a reward system for your community. And this is very important as a builder. You want to get your community to engage with your project, do a lot of things. So it's a very good way to start. And you can see from here we have a lot of investors backing this project, the big guys supporting these particular projects. Of course, we also we have an active community, like I said earlier on Cassava for our products called Waysets. So I'm going to show us how we can set up an account, how we can create an account. Yes, you can see first step is to click this button here, login and sign in, and then it's very intuitive, easy to use. You can see everything you need to know is right there. You can read more about the community. This is a particular task that you can partake in, or you can just click the login sign up button here. It's very easy and straightforward. So this is what we get from there. Create an ID. So I'll put in my email address. So okay, so I have my email there. Oh, I said sign instead of sign up, sorry. So you need to click the sign up button and then put in your email. Okay. So it's basically authenticate the application using your connected Google account. So it depends on what provider you're using. So I can set my password, and this is the suggested password in this case. And then I'll create a wallet. That's like the first step. Create a wallet. Then from creating a wallet, you create a user profile. Then from there, you create a community. From creating a community, you set up tasks. As the whole process, you can see it's requesting access to this. So I'll click sign in I'm authorizing the application to access those data displayed. So for this, I'll be using block 3 review. You can see that here. Okay, that's the community name. Referral code will be set there, and I'll submit that. Tada, we have a community set up already. As you can see, I have a profile there, and I can start creating communities. I can start, participating in tasks or activities in the community. You can see several activities here. Pick out these because I'll still go walk us through that and how this can actually benefit a user. Okay, let me see. So currently I'm on this is my profile, this is my wallet, this is my address, the email and everything, and this is my Cassava ID. So you can see we have a tab here called manage my communities. I can create a new community with this tab. So let me just create a new community and call it block 3 review. Yeah, so that's the name of our community. And of course, we're going to be using this in coming weeks to set up tags for everyone to benefit from. Block 3 review, community URL, same thing. Review. Oh, it says community name already exists. Okay, I think I tried to create something like that in a okay, let me put guys there. Okay. Oh my goodness. So I already have an account set up. Like I said earlier, I have an account here. I have a community here called block 3 review. I think it's still waiting to pending approval. You can see I already have an account set up here, but for this purpose, we're going to set up something close, something similar. So we have a Twitter page link. So you can, like I said, we can also follow us on our Twitter page at block 3 review. The link is also in the description. You can access it and see everything about us there. So I'm going to copy this and paste it in the tab. So we are only active on Twitter for now. You can see that there. So community review, that's the description. I just put the same thing we have there, paste it there. And of course, I'll try to, okay, I can upload a banner. Yes, I have this. Use this as an icon. Let me change that. I need something a bit longer. This doesn't make any sense. Yeah, so we have a banner there. So what is stopping us? Okay. So before we can move forward, we need to send a verification to verify the email linked to that particular community. So I can send a verification. I'll just check my mail. Okay, you can see the verification sign up is successful here. And what was again? So I'm still waiting for the verification message through mail. Let me check my mail again and see if I have any message. Nothing. So I don't have anything here. So I'll check my spam just to be sure. The message didn't go to, so you can see. So it went straight to spam. Report not spam, and then you can have it here. You can copy this. This is my verification stuff. Copy. I'll go back here and paste that. Paste. Yeah. So we verified our email address. The next thing is to what's holding us back? Oh, community logo. We haven't done that yet. So we need to upload that. It's very important. So one thing they would, I think the developers will need to do is to show where the error is, so I will know. For example, I was actually going through this without taking notes. Though there is a sign here that says this is very compulsory. So yeah, I think I'm done. Once you have all that set up, you are good to go. So basically, the whole process of setting up a community is straightforward and easy. So following, you can see how easy it is, and I'll click submit. So the whole approval process, they go through a verification process to ensure they have a very active community. They are so basically an approval process to ensure people don't, we don't have a lot of unnecessary communities. So submit these and we are good to go. So we can see pending approval here. Then after that, once my community is approved, I can set up task. You can see that here. My following, I can see people following manage my assets. So currently I have my CB wallet, which was created when I created the account. You can see that here. So the platform token is called CB coins. So you can keep, you keep accumulating that by engaging in task and other things. Also have a USDT account wallet that I can deposit into, and these are common features that we can use. You can see that there, common features, common feature. So beautiful. Yeah, verification. I can verify my social account, my Twitter account. I can do that just right now since I'm logged in. Want to access your authorize app. You can see, can view my tweet likes, people who I followed, and my bookmark and everything. All this information is necessary. Okay. All right. So let me authorize the app. Oh, sorry. I linked the wrong account. Okay. By the way, let's disconnect that. Let me disconnect that. So you can verify your Discord, verify all that. So when I can also connect my MetaMask. I have MetaMask connected. Wallet connects. You can connect these if you have several other wallet that you use. You can just connect them here. So I'll go back to the previous account that I have set up. So this is one of the accounts we have. My community is called Waysets. So I can set up task. So the whole process of creating a task is to you need to go through your community and then create new tasks. You can see that here I have a total of 720 CBD coin for my community that I can use to reward my community. So I can set up a new task, do whatever I need to do. So it's very simple. The whole process of creating an account on the platform is very simple. The only place where I have an issue was while I was using it was while I was trying to sign up and verify my account. And I think other people might experience the same problem too. But what I did basically was just make sure that I have the Google account I have connected here is the same I'm using, to sign up for this particular account. So let me create a task. Say follow us on Twitter. Let me call that task there. Then we can start that on Monday. Yeah, start on Monday. Okay, and then we can end that. And let's say we run that for like 2 weeks. Yeah, or a week. That's the reward. So tax description, follow us on Twitter. Okay, Twitter. So like our posts and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so that's like a basic description. You can put something else there, whatever tags you have for your community, and I can also upload an image. Okay, let me just put this there. Okay, and it should work. Yeah, so tada, we are done with that. Okay, then I can save that. So basically the whole process, you can see what are those tasks. We can task item, it's basic, that's what it's called. You can submit an image, probably a screenshot of you doing those activities. We can have that set up. That's one. Enter a screenshot. You can see it's very straightforward and easy to use. A screenshot of you following us. Yeah, something simple as that. That's one. So that's one task. Yeah, that you can see submit image. You can submit a URL like a tweet. So say for example there is a tweet I want to, you want your followers to follow or like. You can add that a link to the tweet. Very easy and straightforward. So for this I'm going to use this again. This is our first. So I'll just copy this link and paste it here. So I want them to like that particular tweet. I'll just put it here like this. We add, and then I also want them to, if I want them to also reply to a tweet. Okay, what comment am I looking for? Okay, let me we can put that, we can say that up. Let's say I just followed. I'll say follow. Just want to drop a review, something like that. Video in the comment section. URL. We paste that there. Added that. You can also set reply to a tweet. You can see that here. Paste. Oh, sorry, that's not it. Oh, I just did comments. What else do I want to add? Retweet a tweet. That's another one. So I'll put that there. And what else again do we need to do? Invite a friend. Okay, we can add that to the community on Cassava. So once I'm done, I can save that, and we can see who is our target audience. All users, including those in our current community and those outside our current community. Then save. Our reward, where do we want it to go to? Okay. For now, they have limited network that they support. I believe in future they have plans on supporting more networks. So we have polygon traits. Okay, let's set this up. Traits aggressive. You don't, let me put that there. Okay, trait value green. That's a trait. So that this is like a reward system, like kind of NFC kind of thing. Traits, we don't achieve. Traits yellow. So click on that. It's very easy. Let me upload traits file. So I'll just use this as an example. Alright, so more time. So yeah, so this is the another way of rewarding my community. I can do a kind of lottery kind of thing, or you can see there where we can randomly select individuals who partake in this stuff. Yeah, so we can use first come first serve basis to reward our users. Lucky draw, that's another way to reward. So for now, I'll just put it like this. How many winners do we need? I need just 2 winners. Then I can either save this as a draft or publish this. So I'm publishing this. Yeah, soft. So you can see what we have here. We basically just set up a community, and people can, you can, as a community person, as a builder, you can set up a community for your products or your project, and people set all the parameters and everything. You can see it's right there. It's easy and straightforward. So I'll say in conclusion, I will just wrap it up. The Cassava network is a community where you can create a community, manage your community, set tasks for your community, and do a whole lot of things. And as a user yourself, you can also partake in tasks. You can see the task I said just now is right there. And you can also create a task. You can see Sue Guide, that's a task there for the community. We have Cash Flow Academy. We have several tasks out here. You can see it down, go to any. So you can partake in a task like this follow all the steps, everything you need to do, and you can earn reward. You can see how to start participate, like a tweet. I can do that. I'm sure you can do that. This is properly set up. Let me pick kind of a task then. Okay, let me click this task that I did. See if I can. Okay, let me log in from the other account and see if I can. The words. Let me go back there. So this is the task here. The task I created with the other account. I can click on it. So what this requires me to do is like a tweet by Block 3 Review. Okay, and send a screenshot of that. Okay, so I don't know how I'm going to claim that, but so all I need to do is visit here, like this page, like this, and what else again? Comment on the tweets. So I can comment on these tweets. You can see that here. Interesting. Let me put it like that. Interesting. Like, very good. So I just comment there. What else again? Retweet a tweet. Okay, so I'm going to retweet this. Retweet. What else again? I'll just invite my friend. So how do I do that? Yeah, so I can see the share button here. I can share this. So basically the whole process of any reward is simple, and at the end of the day the system automatically detects if you've performed those tasks just the same way, because of course you've linked your Twitter account, and so basically they can track if you actually did any of those tasks. And this is a very beautiful one for users who want to find a way to just make some money as a user, reviewing or engaging with communities, different communities in the Web3 space. This is a platform where you can do all those things, and it's very easy, straightforward to use. Yeah, I think we are going to end it there. And of course, in our coming videos, we are going to be reviewing the Ether mail. So I'm going to put that there so for you people to check it out. So we're going to be reviewing the Ether mail, which is I'll say the Web3 emailing service of the future. So when it comes to decentralized emailing service, we're going to look at this particular product and what they have to offer users, and how easy it is to use, the functionalities that are available, and several other things. So to summarize, our Cassava network, this is an exciting platform, a very a unique product for builders and also for users to earn reward, engage with communities, and do interesting stuff. I think I will just end it there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like this video, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when we upload the next video. Thank you.